Here I have OnePlus 3 and let me show you how to enable the battery saver mode on the following device. So basically let me show you how to use the battery saver on the following phone. So let's start by using the upper bar, and here you can have access to battery saver by using that icon right here, and battery saver is switched on. You can also have access to a battery saver by using the settings. So let's tap the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you have to scroll down and select the battery. It's under device tab. Here we've got the battery usage, the battery statistics, but let's tap on battery saver. So to help you improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device's performance and limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. Here you can immediately switch it on or off if you would like to. And you can also turn on automatically battery saver, for example when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. That's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.